We start.
Warm welcome and greetings from Swami Keshwanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, Rajasthan, to all the participants across the country for this national webinar on avenues and challenges for agri entrepreneurship for a self-reliant community, which is organized by Department of Extension Education and Communication Management, College of Home Science, Bikaner. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this morning, filled with the desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. Due to the changing scenario, socio-economic, political, environmental, and cultural dimensions over the world, farmers and nations' options for survival and for sustainability, ensuring success in changing their respective economic environments, has become increasingly critical. It is also worth noting that the emergence of the free market economies globally has resulted in the development of a new spirit of enterprise, entrepreneurship, and the increased individual need for responsibility for running their own businesses. In the face of growing unemployment and poverty in rural areas and slow growth of agriculture, there is need of entrepreneurship in agriculture for more productivity and profitability of agriculture. Agripreneurs should be proactive, curious, determined, persistent, visionary, hardworking, honest, possess integrity with strong management and organizational skills. Agripreneurs may be someone who undertakes a variety of activities in agriculture sector in order to be an entrepreneur. Nowadays, easy access to technology, emergence of microfinancing, liberalized government rules, awareness and training programs on agriculture and allied sectors, and finally changing mindset of the highly qualified people to go for self-employment in the field of agriculture has contributed a lot. Agriculture has several areas of entrepreneurship, which includes the activities like dairying, sericulture, goat rearing, rabbit rearing, floriculture, fisheries, shrimp farming, sheep farming, vegetable cultivation, nursery farming, farm forestry, and many, many more. Agripreneurship is the need of our to make agriculture more attractive and profitable venture. It is clear that there is a great scope of entrepreneurship in agriculture, and this can potentially be tapped only by effective management of agri elements such as soil, seed, water, and market needs. An individual with risk-bearing capacity and a quest for latest knowledge in agriculture sector can prove to be a right agripreneur. The agriculture sector has a large potential to contribute to the national economy while at the same time providing direct employment and income to the numerically larger and vulnerable section of society. With these words, I would like to extend a warm and cordial welcome to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Rakshpal Singh Ji, the patron and the chief guest of this webinar, who encouraged us to organize this national webinar on such a burning issue of entrepreneurship. I'm overwhelmed to see the response from nationwide for registration from Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Jammu and Kashmir, Goa, Delhi, and our own state of Rajasthan with almost 750 registration. I'm extremely thankful to each one of you. The speakers would be Mr. Arvind Ojha, Dr. Gaurav Bisa, and Dr. S.K. Singh. Dr. Vimla Dukwal, Dean College of Home Science, and the convener of the webinar is requested for welcome address, please.